let me remove these wheels. Oh, damn, what am I doing? No, that's not my black coffee. That's my fork oil. And that is straight up black. Maybe that was the cause of that bike wobbling through the corner. And I'm out of shock oil. Nothing on the shelf. Have all that stuff along the shelf, and nothing is what I need. So I gotta head on to buy it. I'm back in the office. No luck. And I found out something about Thailand and the gas stations. The little mini mart, they all don't carry any ATF, only motor oil, and maybe distilled water for your battery, little lubricant additives, but that's about it. Nothing specific really. Anyways, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Hopefully, I will get it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Anyways, good night for now, and go change your fork oil. Make sure, don't do like what I did, and have your oil ready. Later.